Good day, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our lesson in Science 3, Quarter 2, Week 4, Day 1. Our topic for today is identifying animal body parts. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Activating prior knowledge. Which one is living and why? What can a real dog do that a toy cannot? A real dog is living because it can breathe, eat, grow, reproduce, and respond to its environment. A toy cannot do these things because it is not alive. A real dog can do things that a toy cannot, such as moving, barking, eating, and feeling emotions. What have we noticed about the body parts of living things when they grow? Correct, their body parts grow longer and bigger. Which animal is it? A bird. What do birds use their beaks for? It is for eating and picking up food. Which animal has this? Correct, a cat. What do cats use their ears for? For hearing the surroundings. Which animal has this? A fish. What is the use of their tails fins? Their tail fins are for swimming. Lesson purpose intention. Today, we will explore the body parts of animals and learn what they are for. Lesson language practice. Number 1. Broad. The eagle's wings are wider. We can also say that the wings of the eagle are broad. Narrow, not wide, or having little space from side to side. Reading the key idea stem. Today, after learning about characteristics of living things in the previous lesson, we will learn more about animals. We will be exploring animals around us and get to know their body parts. We will also describe and compare body parts of animals as well. As we compare body parts of animals, we will also discover the uses of these body parts. Look at the following pictures. Developing understanding of the key idea stem. Look at a fish. What helps it swim? Correct, fins. Now, look at a dog. What helps it walk? Correct, its legs. Look at their tails. Are they the same? How are they different? And what do tails help them do? Fish for swimming. Dog for balance, and they show how they feel when they move their tail. Question. Look at these two birds. This is a toucan. This is a hummingbird. Which beak is long and thin? Correct, the hummingbird. Now, which bird has a big beak? Correct, that is the toucan. Which bird has a beak that is useful for sipping nectar? That's right, it is the hummingbird. Which bird has a big, strong beak for picking fruits? That's right, it is the toucan. Question. Describe the shape and length of their legs. The legs of the turtle are round and short, but the horse's legs are thin and long. Which of them can move or run faster? That's right, the horse. Does the length of their legs affect how fast they move? Definitely yes. Why do you think the horse can run faster? That's right, because it has a long legs. Question. How does the following animals move to get food? The answers are: number 1. The fish uses its fins to swim and catch smaller fish. Number 2. The horse uses its legs to walk near a place where there is plenty of grass to eat. And number 3. The bird uses its wings to fly where there are plenty of flowers to get nectars from and to get other smaller insects or seeds or fruit that they can see. Deepening understanding of the key ideas then. Look at the following animals who has a long neck. That's right, it is a giraffe. Can everyone stretch your neck up high like a giraffe? Reach for the leaves? Then, who stays close to the ground? It is the turtle. Why does the giraffe need a long neck? Correct, to reach leaves in tall trees. Why does turtle stay low? To find like snails and insects on the ground. Animals have special body parts that help them get their food. Making generalization and abstraction. Animals have different body parts that help them move and get food. Some use fins to swim, wings to fly, or legs to walk. They also use body parts like a beak, mouth, or tongue to eat different kinds of food, such as seeds, grass, insects, or small fish. Evaluating learning. Direction. Select the letter of the correct answer. Here is the correct answer. Great job today, everyone! You listened well, shared your thoughts, and work hard. Keep up the good work. Always remember to read, learn, observe, and have fun. See you next time!